A new report shows a growing number of Albertans and Canadians are skipping or delaying healthcare appointments because they can't afford treatment. High costs are a big barrier for many seeking care, including those who have insurance plans. The appointments missed most are at the dentist. Tyson Fedor reports.
Tracy Kukrutz has endured a painful 2.5-year process at the dentist.
I'm very hesitant, more so now, to go to a dentist than I ever was before.
In 2022, she was told she needed 2 crowns. She got one done, and the following year, the other. It cost her $3,000, but she suffered immense pain. She instead had a root canal done on that tooth. That too, another $3,000.
That's an implant. So I could have just got an implant in the first place. Again, if I was kind of told that the tooth is in bad shape, down the road you might need to do this, I would have just probably did that.
Kukrutz and her boyfriend are self-employed. Despite having a minimal insurance plan, it only covers $350 for dental coverage annually. Anything else is out of pocket. She then went on to have more procedures totaling over 2 years, about $14,000.
That's just absurd. I can't imagine a family or a single parent that has a child or themselves that need to have...
A new report by insurance company Policy Me shows that 56% of Canadians say they are putting off appointments because they're too expensive.
Even with 80% of people having some sort of insurance, to see 60% of people avoiding because of cost just shows you the gaps in these coverages.
I worked 2 or 3 jobs pretty much my whole life. I've paid into dental and medical my whole life. And then when I need it, because now I'm self-employed, now it doesn't cover anything.
64% of Albertans are paying out of pocket for dental care.
I mean, you'd think healthcare, dental care would be a necessity and one of the last things that you would look to cut when times get tough or you don't have the budget. And it's quite shocking to see that it's actually almost viewed as a discretionary spend.
The report also notes that only 4% of Albertans are accessing the Canadian dental care plan to cover costs.
People need to be very aware of what's in their benefit plans and what coverage they have. And again, don't fall victim to the I'm covered, I'm good, and really look at what's in there.
The online survey took place between May 9th and 12th, polling 1,500 Canadians and has a margin of error plus or minus 2.53 percentage points, 19 times out of 20.
And Tyson joins us live from Southeast Calgary. Tyson, this latest survey is also backed up by recent Statistics Canada data.
Ian, StatsCan saying that last year, nearly 1 in 4 Canadians 12 and older skipped their appointments at the dentist just due to rising costs. And the Canadian dental care plan was supposed to make it a little more affordable for those over 65 and under the age of 18 without any coverage, and making about $90,000 in family net income. However, there are other reasons why many are not going to the dentist. That includes nervousness and anxiety. Ian?
Tyson, thanks very much.